Today we are going to make halwa. Halwa is my ultimate favorite dish whenever I went to my grandpa and grandma. It's so sweet, delicious, and very easy to make. Let's start by making the tea. I'm going to use intense black tea and sugar and let it boil in the water. The tea is boiling now. I'm going to add the sugar. You can add less or more sugar. Let it simmer for about 4 to 5 minutes. The tea is ready. After about 4 minutes, we are going to filter it. Next step is I'm going to sift the flour. As you can see, there are lumps like this in the flour, so you need to use very fine sifter. I'm going to turn on the smallest fire, this one. Now we are going to bake the flour. Add the oil. The oil needs to be just hot enough, otherwise we burn the flour. So you can use wooden chopsticks and put it in the oil like this. If you see very small little bubbles, that's good. Now I'm going to turn the fire down to the low heat and I'm going to put the flour in the oil. At the same time, you need to mix it. You see little bubbles? That means the flour is baking. And if you notice, the color becomes slightly yellow. Now add the tea. At the same time, mix it like this. This is the consistency I like, but if you like it, you can cook it longer. Then you will get thicker halwa. Yum yum! Halwa is ready. You need to try halwa with milk tea and naan because this is the perfect combination. It's perfect for breakfast. I love it. Hope you like this recipe, and if you like it, don't forget to share this with your family and friends, and see you next week. Bye!